Hello and welcome to your weekly reading, Leo. The first card that we have for you this week is the Hierophant. Now, you could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but take it as it resonates. It could be any other sign as well. With the Hierophant, Taurus is very, very strong here. Now, this is all about, traditions, religion, following societal norms, and, this is basically somebody who's conforming to society. But with this card here, I'm immediately picking up a very, very strong relationship, a marriage here. I am picking up on a wife who follows, her feminine role, and the husband or the masculine following their masculine role. The roles are very defined, very old-fashioned, very traditional roles and defined roles here. I am picking up a marriage. It may not be a marriage, but the relationship feels like a marriage where, both the parties involved are very, very strongly connected. The bond is beyond belief. Those around, those people watching and people around, even though this couple may seem, very, very young, but the bond seems like, this is an old soul, old couple who have been together for a very, very long time. So that's your first card, the Hierophant. The second card that we have for you this week is the Empress. This is definitely the feminine energy in the relationship. This is someone who's beautiful, somebody who's slightly older, very, accomplished. This is somebody who's well established, successful in their career, a perfect wife and mother figure here. And there may be pregnancy also happening, or there may be pregnancy in the future. But I am picking up the role of a wife here, the Empress here, and there's a lot of femininity and abundance in this particular relationship. So that's your second card, the Empress. Again, very, very strong earth energy here, very, very strong earth energy. So third card that we have for you this week, Leo, is the King of Swords. Now, you could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gemini is coming through with this particular card along with Taurus energy, earth energy again, Taurus with the Hierophant and Taurus with the King of Swords. So I am definitely picking up a very, very strong Taurus presence here. And the King of Swords is all about, being very disciplined. This is somebody who's very, very clear in their communication. This is the masculine energy. The Empress was the feminine energy and the King of Swords is the masculine energy, but take it as it resonates. The roles may be reversed and it is not really gender specific. I'm just going by the cards. And with the Hierophant, this is a very, very strong relationship. So the masculine energy might be slightly younger than the feminine energy, but it is a king and it is the Empress. So the difference is not going to be huge and it's not going to make a difference because I'm picking up a very, very strong bond, a very, very strong relationship. So that's your reading this week, Leo. Bye-bye.